Hey peeps, this is the after the range review of the Smith & Wesson 45-66 Tactical. Shot beautifully, except for with the Pro Mag magazines. It is unloaded. There's no magazine in there. There are no rounds in the magazine. But it did shoot beautifully. As you can see by the big hole in the middle of the target. After I get used to it, but the 45 ACP plus P Underwood shot beautifully. I first had a couple of malfunctions with the Pro Mag magazines. The Pro Mags, I don't know if it was because Pro Mags are just crappy mags or just because I didn't have the 5% increased mag springs in them, which I did in the 8 rounds. And when I was shooting 45 Super, the only hang up I had was I must have hit the safety lever. Safety lever was accidentally hit. I don't know how that happened. Might have hit it with my thumb somehow. I don't know. But yeah, and then it shot 45 ACP flawlessly as well because which I wasn't sure if it would or not because of the 22-pound mainspring in it. It's got a really good trigger. I really like the sights, but it needs a good cleaning, which I am about to do here in just a second. I don't think I'll film the whole cleaning because it's a very involved process. I do a really thorough cleaning of the whole gun. Huh. Odd. Won't come off. I've got the oh, got the magazine out. No wonder. Now it came off. You have to have the magazine out to. Forgot I had the magazine in. I've had the magazine out to take it apart and clean it thoroughly, which is what I'm going to do. Barrel looks good. The extractor looks good. Dirty, but good. So I'm going to clean this all up and I'll be back. Okay, folks, I finally got it clean. So now we have to put in the firing pin or the recoil spring. There we go. That was easy. A little bit extra oil on my hands. I had to oil it up pretty good. Let's see here now. I'm gonna have to do this on camera. Of course I can't do it on camera. Okay, now it gets to that point. And then you gotta use something like this to push all these levers down. And then, well, it's like that. Push it. Well, now that one comes back out, okay. Okay. These little levers are a pain in my ass. back on there. This one little lever never wants to go down right. We're all the way. I don't know. If I tried to push it down with my finger. Oh, that's just getting my glove caught in there. I don't know why it doesn't want to go down all the way. Maybe you gotta have the... Okay, so got that part done. It just took a little bit of doing. Now, should be able to pop that part right in there. And see, it's very clean. Polished feed lamp. Magazines are empty. Double action's good. Single action's good. Locks back. Yep, it was very dirty though. It was extremely dirty, as you guys can see from this mess. Yeah. But it is completely clean now, and it's good to go. I'm gonna load it back up and put it back where it belongs. It's my nightstand gun, plus my everyday carry now. So yeah. Anyway, it did great at the range. I don't recommend Pro Mag magazines, at least without the extra 5% extra power mag springs in it, and I don't know if you can get those for that. You can for the 8-rounders, and they work great. 45 Super. The only problem I had is I think I hit the safety button, and after a while it lined out. And the reason it was so dirty is because I shot that Red Army steel cased ammo, which is extremely dirty, but it's all I could get at the time, and enough to bulk like 4 boxes. Plus I had a bunch of Underwood ammo, 45 ACP plus P, and 45 Super, and a little bit of Buffalo Bore 45, either ACP plus P or 45 Super. I don't remember which one, but yeah, it is good to go now. I mean, after I shot the Red Army ammo, it didn't jam up the first time or anything like that. I think it just, whatever problems it was having at first, it just lined itself out. Yeah, that's it. Hope you guys had a really good election day, and remember to vote. Someone who's in office right now is not fit to be in office, and they need to go. See ya.